How to create a Google Meet link on your mobile phone. If you're planning to host a meeting or catch up with friends using your Google Meet and you're wondering how to create a Google Meet link on your mobile phone, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. It's simple and quick. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Google Meet app. You can simply install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Gmail. Now, once you've opened it, simply tap on the right side, which is a new meeting or Google Meet, which you can find it in your Gmail. Now, simply click on new meeting. Now, what you need to do is tap on one to get started. Now, you'll have a few options for your new meeting. You can either choose to start the meeting immediately or create a meeting link to use later. To get a link you can share later, select get a meeting link to share. Now, once you've selected that option, you'll see your meeting link appear on the screen. It will look something like meet.google.com/whatever. Now, to share the link with others, simply tap on copy. Now that you've copied the link, you can easily share it with anyone you want to invite to your meeting. Now, simply paste it into a message, email, or even on social media. It's totally up to you, like this, and send it. Alternatively, you can also share by clicking on share invite, and you can simply share through these various options. And that's it. That's how you can simply create and share a Google Meet link using your mobile phone.